getting home. So let's start. First, we need to pour this into this tray. After adding shaving cream, I'm going to put a few drops of food coloring into the shaving cream. I'm putting red into this. Let's put blue now. This is blue. I'm using green now. There's one last color, yellow. This looks like a red bottle, but it's not. Okay, let's try it. This looks like orange to me, but kind of it looks like orange. Sometimes it looks like yellow. You call it yellow or orange? Yellow orange. Oop, 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 oop. Good. Let's take a stick and mix it, mix it, mix it. But only whatever design you want. Masterpiece, Nestor, Nestor, Nestor. You can mix or make your own design. Masterpiece. Let's put the paper. Pat, 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 slowly pat. You see the colors? Look. Wow, look at this. Let's put this here. Fingers. Sometimes you get dirty. I'm gonna remove this with this one, with all this extra shaving cream, because if I put this shaving cream, it sticks on here. So let's remove it. Let's remove this with this knife like this. Ask your grown-up to help you, because if you get dirty, sometimes you cannot remove it. So my mom helped me take the same cream and this to bowl. This is all the yuck. We can do it one more time. You can make with the same cream what you already just made one more. This is different, and I'll make that one again different. Let's see what we'll do this time. Let's see what is it like. Yeah. Do you see what's the difference in here? Do you see it? Really? You see it? The first one is bit light, the second one is a bit dark. We're doing one like planets this time. So, let's go to the planets thing. Planet Earthcraft. Let's mix it. Mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it. Oh, look at this. This looks like good. This looks like good. Let's put it. Look at planet Earth. This is a craft in solar system. We did it with making marble art. Marble art! Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. That's it. Thank you, Miss Harmony, for giving this idea. Hope you like this. Thanks for watching this marble art picture video. I love when you all see all my beautiful videos.